Go to the internet. Write EA app. Open the page. Download the program. If you're seeing this in a moment where this page is not available, you can take a look at the link and go to the Internet Archive and use the Wayback machine to access this page. Just select any date available and click Anytime. This allows you to access this page anytime in the future, even if the original page is no longer available. Open the installer and click Repair. Now restart your computer. The EA Services Disabled message happens when there is a problem with the function of the EA program. This can be caused by problems in updates or by disabling the background services. By repairing the program, you can restore its normal function. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.